Hello and welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast that helps you practice simple English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today.
In this episode, we're talking about something very interesting: morning people and night people.
Yes. Some people love to wake up early in the morning. They feel fresh and full of energy.
Those people are called morning people.
And other people like to stay up late at night. They feel more active in the evening.
Those people are called night people.
This is a fun topic because it's easy small talk. You can ask, are you a morning person or a night person?
And you can also describe yourself. For example, I wake up early, I'm a morning person. Or, I stay up late, I'm a night person.
Very useful phrases for daily life.
And in this episode, we'll learn about both kinds of people, morning people and night people.
We'll also compare them, practice some new vocabulary, and do a fun listener challenge at the end.
So, listeners, think about it. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Hold your answer in your head, and let's get started with morning people.
So, Ben, let's start with morning people. What is a morning person?
A morning person is someone who wakes up early and feels good in the morning. They usually have more energy in the early hours of the day.
Yes, they enjoy mornings. They feel fresh and ready to work or study.
For example, a morning person might wake up at 6 a.m. or even earlier. They enjoy the sunrise. When the sun comes up,
Oh, sunrise is beautiful. The air is quiet and fresh. Morning people often say, I like the quiet morning.
that's true. They can do many things before other people wake up.
Like exercising, reading, cooking breakfast, or going for a walk.
Yes, many morning people like to eat breakfast early. Breakfast gives them energy for the day.
I think morning people also like the calm feeling. The world is quiet, no noise, no traffic.
Exactly. And because they start early, morning people sometimes finish their work earlier in the day.
Right. If you start studying at 7 a.m., maybe by lunchtime, you finish a lot of tasks.
That's a good point. But, Anna, are you a morning person?
Yes, I think so. I usually wake up at 6:30. I like to take a short walk outside when the air is fresh.
Oh, that sounds nice. What do you do after your walk?
I make a cup of tea and eat breakfast. After that, I feel ready for the day.
Wow, very healthy. For me, it's a little hard to wake up early. But I agree. Mornings can be nice.
Yes. And morning people often say they feel their brain is clear in the morning. It's easier to focus and think.
That's true. Night people sometimes feel sleepy in the morning, but morning people are full of energy.
So let's teach our listeners some useful phrases. Ready?
Sure, here are some. I wake up early. I feel fresh in the morning.
I like the quiet morning. I eat breakfast every day.
I'm a morning person.
Very good. Listeners, you can repeat after us.
Let's try a little role play.
Okay, I'll start. Hi Ben, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I like the sunrise.
Oh, so you're a morning person.
Yes, I feel fresh in the morning.
Simple and useful. You can use these phrases to talk about your own routine.
So, listeners, what about you? What do you do in the morning? Do you wake up early, eat breakfast, or take a walk?
Think about it and share your answer with us in the comments. We'd love to know. Morning person. It means someone who feels active and happy in the morning. For example, I'm a morning person. I wake up early and feel fresh.
Wake up early. It means get out of bed early in the morning. For example, she wakes up early to see the sunrise.
Quiet morning. It means calm, peaceful time in the morning. For example, I enjoy reading during the quiet morning.
Feel fresh. it means feel clean, rested, and full of energy. For example, after my shower, I feel fresh and ready for the day.
Take a walk. It means go outside to walk for exercise or relaxation. For example, So, Ben, we've talked about morning people. But not everyone wakes up early. Some people are very different. They are night people.
Yes, that's me. A night person is someone who stays up late and feels more active in the evening or at night.
Right. While morning people like the sunrise, night people like the moon and stars.
Exactly. Night people often go to bed late, maybe at midnight or even later.
Midnight means 12 o'clock at night, right?
Yes, that's right. For example, I often go to bed at 12:30 or 1 a.m.
Wow, that's late. So what do night people do at night?
Many things. Some like to watch movies or play games. Others like to study or work at night because it's quiet.
Oh yes, the night can also be quiet, just like the morning.
Yes, but it's a different feeling. Morning is fresh, but night is calm and sometimes creative.
Creative?
Yes, I feel more creative at night. I get new ideas for writing or music when the world is quiet and dark.
Interesting. So night people feel energy when most people are sleeping.
Exactly. For example, some artists, writers, and programmers like to work late at night.
I see. And do night people eat at night too?
Sometimes. Some night people eat a small snack or drink tea while they work or watch something.
Do you eat at night?
Sometimes I have a small bowl of noodles or some fruit at 11 p.m.
That's really late for me. I'm already sleeping at that time.
Yes, that's the difference. Morning people are in bed, night people are awake.
Let's share some useful phrases for our listeners.
Good idea. Repeat after us. I go to bed late.
I stay up at night. I like the quiet evening.
I feel creative at night. I'm a night person.
Very nice. And let's do a role play.
Okay, you start.
Hey Ben, what time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at midnight. I like the quiet night.
Oh, so you're a night person.
Yes, I feel more active in the evening.
See? Very simple. You can try this with your friends.
So, listeners, what about you? What do you do at night? Do you watch movies, study, or just relax?
Share your answers with us in the comments. We'd love to read about your night habits in the comments. We'd love to read about your night habits. Night person. It means someone who feels active at night and stays up late. For example, Ben is a night person. He likes working after midnight.
Stay up late. It means go to bed later than usual. For example, I sometimes stay up late to finish my homework.
Moon and stars. It means what you see in the sky at night. For example, night people enjoy watching the moon and stars.
Stay awake. It means not sleep, keep your eyes open. For example, I can't stay awake after midnight.
Quiet evening. It means peaceful time after sunset. So Ben, we've talked about morning people and night people. But now let's compare them. What are the differences between morning and night?
Good idea. Morning is usually fresh and quiet. The sun rises, the air feels new, and many people start their day.
Yes, I love the feeling of the sunrise. It gives me energy. Morning is good for exercise, study, or work.
True. But night has a different kind of beauty. The sky is dark, the moon and stars are out, and it feels calm.
That's true. Morning is bright, night is calm. Some people feel strong in the morning, others feel creative at night.
Exactly. For example, Anna, you said you like to walk in the morning.
Yes, I like the cool air and the quiet streets.
But I like to write at night. When everyone is sleeping, I feel free to think and create.
So, we can say, Morning is better for energy, and night is better for ideas.
That's a nice way to say it. Morning people like breakfast, tea, or coffee. Night people like midnight snacks or late-night movies.
Yes, I'm already sleeping when you're watching movies.
And I'm still awake when you're doing morning exercise.
Let's share some useful phrases for our listeners.
Sure. Repeat after us. Morning is fresh and quiet.
Night is calm and dark. Coffee is better in the morning.
I feel creative at night. I prefer mornings. I prefer nights.
Very good. And let's do a short role play.
Okay. I'll ask first. Anna, are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm a morning person. I wake up early and I feel fresh.
Oh, I'm a night person. I stay up late and I like the quiet evening.
That's interesting. Morning gives me energy, but night gives you creativity.
Exactly. Both times have something special.
Yes, there is no better time. It depends on you. Some people work best in the morning, others in the evening.
That's right. The important thing is to know yourself. Are you more active in the morning or at night?
Listeners, what about you? Which do you prefer, morning or night? Why?
Please share your answers with us. We'd love to read your ideas in the comments. Please share your answers with us. We'd love to read your ideas in the comments.
Fresh and quiet. It means cool and peaceful atmosphere. For example, morning is fresh and quiet, perfect for thinking.
Creative ideas. It means new and interesting thoughts. For example, Ben gets creative ideas late at night.
Know yourself. It means understand your own habits or feelings. For example, it's important to know yourself. Morning or night person?
No better time. It means both are good, no need to compare. For example, there is no better time, it depends on your lifestyle.
Calm night. It means quiet and peaceful.
Okay, everyone, it's challenge time. Let's practice listening, speaking, and writing. Challenge 1. Listening.
Listen again to this episode. Can you find the answers? What is one good thing about mornings?
What is one good thing about nights? What time does Ben like to write? You can pause, repeat, and write down your answers.
Challenge 2. Speaking. Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after us or make your own sentences.
I'm a morning person. I wake up early.
I'm a night person. I stay up late.
Morning is fresh and quiet. Night is calm and dark. Try saying them slowly first, then again a little faster. Speaking out loud will make your English stronger.
Challenge 3. Writing. Finally, let's do some writing practice. Write 3 to 4 sentences about your habit. You can answer these questions.
Usually wake up. What time do you usually go to bed?
Do you prefer morning or night? Why?
Here's an example. I usually wake up at 6:30 inches the morning. I go to bed at 11 at night. I like mornings because they are fresh and quiet. I drink coffee and read in the morning.
Now it's your turn. Write your own sentences in your notebook, or, if you like, share them in the comments. We'd love to read them.
Great job, listeners. You listened, you spoke, and you wrote. That's real practice.
Yes, step by step, your English will grow stronger. So, Ben, today we learned about 2 kinds of people, morning people and night people.
Yes, some people feel fresh and full of energy in the morning. Others feel more active and creative at night.
Both are okay. The important thing is to know your style and use your time well.
Right. Mornings can be great for work, study, and enjoying the sunrise.
And nights can be good for relaxing, thinking, or looking at the stars.
Listeners, remember the useful phrases. I'm a morning person. I'm a night person. I wake up early. I stay up late.
These are simple but very useful for daily conversation and small talk.
So now we want to hear from you. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Share your answer in the comments or write a short note in your notebook. Practice makes perfect.
And don't forget, you can download our free PDF transcript.
The PDF has today's full script, the vocabulary list, and extra practice exercises.
You can read along while you listen, or use it later to review.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed talking about mornings and nights with us.
See you next time on Everyday English Talk. Bye for now.